Welcome to this lesson with me, Teacher Kamanga. In today's lesson, we're going to revise through this paper for Biology 2023 internal. So we'll specifically concentrate on section B, question number 1. Okay, so what we want to revise through, we want to go through and understand on how can we answer questions on the topic which is excretion. Okay, so this is a question which is going to help us be able to revise through. All right, so the first question is saying, explain the law of the kidney in excretion. Explain the law of the kidney in excretion. So to answer this question, we're going to answer it direct to the point. Okay, so we are saying the law of the kidney in excretion is the removal of toxic substances from the blood. Okay, the law of the kidney in excretion is the removal of toxic substances from the blood. This prevents over accumulation of excessive metabolic waste. Okay, simple as that. Or if you want, you can say it is the removal of excess water, salts, urea in the blood and prevent over accumulation of metabolic waste. Okay, that is how you answer the first one. So the second one, explain the law of the kidney in osmoregulation. So when we're talking about the osmoregulation, we're just talking about the balancing of the osmotic pressure or the balancing of water and also salts. Okay, so the law of the kidney in osmoregulation, it is to balance of the osmotic pressure, or if you like, you can say it's to balance the osmotic pressure of salt and also water. Okay, also we need to understand to say there is also a maintenance of the acid and also base balance. So we are talking about the alkalinity and also the acidity of the fluids in the body. So that balance is brought about by osmoregulation, which is facilitated by the kidney. Also we understand that this one also, it prevents the cell crenation. The cell crenation, this is the bursting of the cell. So also it also prevents that. So when answering this one direct, you just answer the law of the kidney in osmoregulation is to balance the osmotic pressure and also maintain the acid base balance. Okay, just like that. So we go to B. Explain one disorder associated with the kidney and its remedy. So when we're talking about remedy, we're talking about the solution. A disorder, any problem that it can be caused by a kidney. So number one, we have kidney failure. Okay, we can talk about a lot, but in this case, we're just answering the question direct. So I'll give a straight answer so that you do not get confused with a lot of explanation. So in this case, we'll go for kidney failure, which is brought about diabetes mostly. Yeah, this one most can be caused due to infections. One of the infections we're talking about is diabetes. So explain one disorder associated with the kidney and its remedy. So in your explanation, you say one disorder associated with the kidney is kidney failure, which is caused by infection. Okay, and the remedy which can be used in order to prevent this one, it is the use of the dialysis machine or a kidney transplant. So those are the two remedies that we can provide: the use of a dialysis machine and or a kidney transplant. All right, I hope that one is clear. C, give two reasons why there is limited excretion of substances in plants. Give two reasons why there is limited excretion of substances in plant. So the reason is that number one, we understand that carbon dioxide from respiration is used in photosynthesis during the right time. So you understand to say excretion in this case when it takes place in the dark time. So we need also to understand that. All right, so the first one, we are saying carbon dioxide from respiration is used in photosynthesis during the light time. Hence, it is excreted during the dark hour or the dark time. So we need to understand to say those are some of the limitations in terms of the excretion that we are talking about. Okay, so this is how simple you could have answered this question. So I believe we understand now the law of the kidney in excretion, osmoregulation, and also disorders, their remedies, and also why there is a limited excretion in the plants. Okay, so it has been Teacher Kamanga with you in this lesson. Have a great night, and also be able to comment in the comment section there so that I get your views, and also you can also request some topics that you might want me to be able to explain to you that which you feel you are behind. Okay.